Hey everyone, I'm Sherry Criswell, an independent designer for Chalk Couture. And here's the supplies I'm using today. Beware, transfer, and some wood squares, and a little bit of wax, and our black velvet chalk paste. Now I did wax these squares. It is wood, and it just protects the transfers. It'll just chalk so much easier. And then I use black velvet chalk paste to put the transfer on the squares. You just squeegee on, take off the excess, put it back in your jar to use again later, and clean your transfers because you can reuse this. Now here is our new shimmer paste. It's so pretty. It's called Frost, and I don't know if you can get the real shimmer on camera, but it's beautiful. Anyway, I was trying to decide on this spider web whether to put it on the whole surface or just the letters. So I went ahead and put it on the whole surface, but then later I decided to take some off. And since I did wax it, it did come off. It made it easier for me. Now here I'm gluing the wood squares on, and I use this 1-inch strip to place it. And now I'm making the bow, and I'm using my bow dabber. You don't need this, it just makes it easier. It gives you an extra hand, so to speak. So after I got this bow done, then I just put it on the top. And there's a project all done. I did glue some twine to hang this and put the bow on top of that. Tied it onto the twine. And there it is, all done. I'm just having so much fun with this stuff. I love creating with it. It really, really is fun. Thanks everyone. Beware.